Hey everyone, I was supposed to cover impromptu questions in this speech, so I decided to take a whole lot of questions on a sheet of paper, cut them into pieces, and put them in a bowl. I shook the bowl up, I picked one, and I got two questions. The first is, why do I like Jiu-Jitsu? So I'm going to cover this. Why do I like Jiu-Jitsu? The short and sweet version is, it gives me confidence. The slightly longer version is, because it's my whole life. Now, I got into Jiu-Jitsu a year and a half ago. I'm getting up on 2 years now, I think. Because I needed a desperate need for confidence. I couldn't do anything without doubting myself. I panicked in public situations and I would completely freeze up. So I started doing Jiu-Jitsu and all of that changed. I mean, look, I'm speaking to y'all people now. So, I have gained that confidence over these last year and a half, 2 years, and I've also gained the ability to protect myself if it's ever needed. I train against upwards of 230-pound people, and I win most of the time, which is a great thing to be able to say. And I'm completely confident that if I was forced into the position I had to fight myself, or fight someone my size, that I would win. Now, that does not include them having a gun or knife, because that's just not a fair fight, and I'll just run away or I'll do whatever they asked. Now, this confidence has given me the security and just confidence in myself, It makes me feel more safe, more secure in public situations. They're good people, but I would even be nervous at church. I'd be nervous at family gatherings and school, anything. It doesn't matter. I'd be completely nervous and I'd just freeze up. And I've been so much better since I started all this. Plus, I like having that feeling of confidence, so it motivates me to keep doing better and to keep going. And it's the reason I work out. It's the reason I eat healthy and that I've been counting my calories recently. Because I want to do better. I want to be the best. It's the reason I'm not on the TV all day. So to answer that question, I like Jiu-Jitsu because Jiu-Jitsu made me like me. I never loved myself before I started, and now I do. If anyone else is suffering with anything like this, whether it's depression or it's lack of confidence, or you're just completely bored all day and just sitting on the TV, you should give it a try. If you need an escape or a way to fix it, try Jiu-Jitsu. It's amazing, and I'm not the only one that this has helped with. You can look it up, look up mental benefits from Jiu-Jitsu on Google, and you'll see it, or you can look it up on YouTube. There are so many examples. I've talked about this before. There is a group called the We Defy Foundation, and they dedicate all their time to helping veterans with PTSD and other military-related disabilities through Jiu-Jitsu. They help them get over that mental blockade. Now, the second impromptu question is, what do I enjoy? This is kind of short, but besides Jiu-Jitsu, my time and my hobbies mostly consist of art, gaming, and lifting. Now, I game probably an hour a day, to be honest. And as for drawing, it depends. I'll get burnt out after a while, but I always return to it, and it's incredibly relaxing, honestly, and just a good source of entertainment when I am bored. Now, as for lifting, there isn't anything to say, really. I like lifting now. So those would be the two impromptu questions, and thank you all for watching. Bye.